So I'm going to show you how to do a common whipping. It's a good way to end a piece of rope. So you're going to take your whipping cord and you're going to make a loop. And then you're going to take the long end and you're just going to wrap it around towards the loop. And then when it's as long as you want, you're going to put the end through the loop. And you're going to pull the other end in so the two ends will pop underneath on the inside. You want to give it a pull on both sides, on both ends of the cord, so that it has equal tension all around, and the two ends should be right in the middle. You can't really see it, but you can kind of feel it. And that's common whipping.